Welcome back to another episode of WEGS Garage. If you're just joining us, this is our 1964 Triumph TR4. We are in the middle of putting back some of the mechanical parts on this car and getting it ready to hit the road again. We got some of the parts we've been waiting on for a while now, so today we're going to work on getting our radiator and cooling system put all back together and also putting that steering column back in. So stay tuned. Yeah, how'd that lower hose go for you, Dad?
That was a ball. You got to twist and turn and get it just right to make sure that steering coupling doesn't move the steel pipe when you move the wheel. And it's close. I mean, it's very close. I would say less than 1/8 of an inch of air is what you can see between the metal pipe and that steering coupling. We got it. You be prepared to lay on your back a lot when you do that.
Alright, so our upper hose went in really easily. It looks really good. This lower hose is really tight fit. It's kind of hard to see here, but against the steering coupling, you get about like maybe 1/8 of an inch of clearance down there on that pipe, but I think we got it in right. Looks pretty good. So now the only thing left to hook up for cooling system is the heater pipes. Alright, so with the last two heater hoses in, our cooling system is complete. Everything went together pretty well. Now that we've got that in, we're going to go ahead and finish up putting the steering wheel in, line up the wheel with the tires, and go from there. So we got our steering column put back in. The steering wheel is in place, as you can see. So yeah, everything is ready to go there. Back on this side, there was a bracket under here you have to get put back in that holds the end of the steering column inside the cockpit. So that's in place. Hey, check it out, guys. Our steering wheel is back in. The cooling system is buttoned up. We made quite a bit of progress this week. So that's going to do it for today. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and then you'll get updates each week when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.